Hi guys, it's me again, Daisy, and for today's video is another unboxing, perfume unboxing. So without further ado, I will unbox 5 perfumes that I have accumulated for a couple of weeks now, and that I've been wanting to use and wanting to have in my collection. So before we proceed, of course, as I always say, please like, share, and subscribe, and please help me grow with my channel by subscribing and what do you call this? Click that notification bell so next time I upload new videos, you will get notified. So thank you all so much for subscribing, if you are subscribing right now, and for those who have been with me, thank you all so much. For the new subscribers, thank you, and God bless you. And so without further ado, I got this one first. This is a pre-love perfume. I've been wanting to have this in my collection because I'm so curious how this perfume smells like, because it has the rave from YouTube is overly all over YouTube, or again all over the fragrance world right now. So I've been wanting to try this. I don't have, or never been, I never smelled Coco Mademoiselle and La Via's Belle, and so they compared this perfume. By the way, this is Sofia by Sofia Vergara. This is 100 ml, and as everyone says that this is a dupe or similar to Coco Mademoiselle or La Via's Belle, or some says that this is the baby sister of the two perfume. That's why I'm so curious, and I want to have this in my collection. So someone messaged me if I want to have this in my collection, and so I grab it for a cheap price. It's almost full because she said it is a gift to her, but she's not using this. She's not into perfume. So by the way, this is how the box looks like. It has this signature. I don't know if you can see, by Sofia Vergara, I guess, that is embossed in this top lid. Nothing much special with the bottle, except it is black and like champagne shiny thing here. I'm not sure in your camera, in the screen, if it is gold, but in person, it looks champagne to me. So the bottle looks like this, and it is heavy. This is 100 ml, if I mentioned. I don't know if this is an old bottle, or because from other videos that I have watched, it's like a brownish amber color, but my bottle is like a moss green color. I don't know if you can see. Let's put in the white background. Yeah, so I don't know how old this perfume, and it has a signature, same signature here by Sofia Vergara, and it's big chunky bottle, and spray it my hand. So to me, this is a strong, spicy, a little bit spicy, fruity, like orange peel. That's what I get. Sweet and orangey. Yeah, that's what I initially get. Now next, probably this one. This is a Valentino Pink by Valentino. uh, when I was still in Taiwan, I've been eyeing for this perfume because I love the bottle. But then I I said to myself, no, you don't need another perfume because you have a lot already. And so I didn't get it, but then Valivon, the perfume done, I watched her video and she mentioned that this perfume is discontinued. So immediately I grabbed this perfume, and so the box looks like this. It's like I don't know how to describe the box, but when you see closer, it's like a leather. It's a box, but there's textured something like that. This is 50 ml, and it's written Valentino. On the top lid, it says maybe a serial number, and then inside there's an instruction of the sprayer of the perfume. This is how it looks in the inside, and this is a beautiful bottle. That's why I've been wanting to have that in my collection. And yeah, how can you, this thing is, I'm not sure if this is, no, this is not plastic, but it's like a tin, like I feel like the material is like when you open a cup syrup, the lid, I don't know if it's called tin can, I'm not sure, but that's what it looks like to me. On this flower thing, this is the nozzle protector. When you travel, it says keep for traveling purposes. I don't know if you can see. And I spray it my head. The spray is good. So let's wait for a bit, for a while. It's kind of alcoholic. First spray, but this is very sweet perfume to me. Reminds me of Always Red by Elizabeth Arden. Yeah, it gives me that same scent that I'm smelling right now. It's just that I guess the Elizabeth Arden Red Door is much more deeper. Yeah, but this is a sweet, fruity, floral scent that I am getting. You know, each nose is different, so each skin is different as well. So these chemicals reacts differently with each body type. So that's what I get. This is a Nina Ricci Low. This is a 30 ml bottle. I got this because I love the bottle and I don't have any Nina Ricci on my collection. That's why I added, and I want to have the other Nina Ricci perfume. That's why I only get 30 ml, and it says Nina Parfums by Nina Ricci. Yeah, this is the embossed thing. I forgot to mention, this is, what did I get? It doesn't say. Nina Ricci of Fresh Vaporizer Spray. It doesn't. This one is just a minute, guys. So this Valentina Donna is Eau de Parfum. The Sofia Vergara is Eau de Parfum as well, and This doesn't say if it is eau de parfum, it only says eau fresh. So I will spray it in my hand. Where will I spray this perfume? Maybe on my arm. I don't know. It's hard to see, but it's a clean, soapy scent to me. Fresh, clean, soapy scent to me. I don't know the notes. I didn't see. I didn't look. I didn't look at the notes. So what I'm sharing with you right now is what I get from the bottle, or my first impression that I get from the bottle. So the next one is the Trousseau Donna. And the bottle looks like this, just a plain white box, but this gold emblem is embossed. It's gold. Yeah, everything is embossed. On the top of the lid has the logo or the emblem. Everything you need to know about the box. This is eau de parfum or eau de toilette. It says eau de parfum. Yeah, this is also a 50 ml bottle. And I'll spray my hand. It's a fruity, clean scent that I am getting also from the bottle. So this bottle is a glass bottle, and on the top of the lid has this emblem, the same in the box. It is engraved in white and gold bottle. So basically it's a plain, clean bottle. Yeah. Sorry if you heard some feet walking around. It's my dog. And it has a very nice secured lock. It's tight. Let's see here, listen to the click. Yeah, it's a very secured, tight lid. So yeah, it smells fresh cut lemon to me. Yeah, fresh lemon, lemonade. Yeah. And last but not the least is I really want to have this in my collection. This is, by the way, men's perfume, but every time I am going to the mall, I always go to by the way, this is the Body Shop White Mask for Men Eau de Toilette. Every time I go to the mall, I always visit or drop by at the, what we call this, the Body Shop house, and I always smell this one. So I hesitate to get this because it's for men, but I love it for myself. So what I did was I get the female version of this perfume, but I don't like that. For some reason, I like musky perfume, but I feel like it's so musky for me, and so I always wanted to have this. And then the other day, me and my husband is we went somewhere, and then I'm able to go to the mall for a while, and at the same time the Body Shop is on sale, 20% off. So if you're interested to have this perfume in there, and also to check the other scents that they have, they are on sale right now, 20% off. So check it out while they are still on sale. They have many variety of scents that you can try on. And so I asked my husband if he wanted this perfume for him. So now I don't need any perfume because I already have a lot. And so I said I'm getting this for myself. My husband told me, no, you don't need another perfume because you already have a lot. And I said to him, no, I need this in my collection. And so for the sake of our discussion to end, I get this, and this scent is so good. I really like this perfume. This is a musky, fresh scent to me. This perfume doesn't last long because I tested it in the store and then walk around, but I only have maybe 2 spritz, and then we leave the store. I can still this in my hand, but it's a very skin scent na inoffensive perfume. So this is my first ever perfume from men's line, and I really like that. And maybe I will give my I'll get it. So here it is, guys. So probably we'll switch. I will give this to my husband. Maybe he will like this one, but or maybe I will combine this or layer this perfume together. I don't know how they will smell together, but yeah, I enjoyed, and I'm so happy that I have this finally in my collection. This perfume reminds me of Sarah White. It's a very clean, I guess. I'm not sure if it has ginger like the other, the Sarah perfume, but this is a very aromatic. For sure it has lavender, but that perfume reminds me of this ones. Yeah, so I can't stop smelling this perfume. So that's it, guys. I hope you like this video. And also for the for the box, it's just like a plain box, nothing written on the box. So I believe that the Body Shop is a organic line, and they are helping saving the Mother Earth. And so, sorry, stop it, no, hey Snooky, I'm sorry about the noise, guys. I have a very large dog, as you can see. Say hi, Snooky. Snooky, hey doggy. No, she's a camera shy, same as me. So anyways, stop it. So anyways, thank you again, guys, for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and comment down below what your thoughts or what you want to see next in my upcoming video. So thank you again so much, and I will end this video right here, right now, because my dog is kind of stubborn. So thank you. See you again next time. Bye.